Here we're asked to simplify the expression. Number 2 deals with the product of power property. Let's look here. Understand x to the fourth times x to the third. This is attached via multiplication. When we multiply numbers with the same base, we keep the same base. So that is x, and we add the exponent. So it's 4 plus 3. This simplifies to x to the 7th power. Next, for this one, we do the same process. So we have the number 4 times the x, and we add the exponent of x. So we have 5, add the negative 4, then we have the z. Okay. This becomes 4x to the 1 times z. No one really writes the 1 exponent, so we can just leave it as that, as 4x to the z power. C, there are both numbers and letters here, so we want to split it. Here, let's have the numbers first. So it is 2 times negative 5. That is the number. Then let's have the first letter, the letter of x. So we have times x to the 7th times x to the 4th. Then we have another letter here, that is the times z to the 5th. So 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Here we add the exponent, so 7 plus 4, that is 11. Then we have the z to the 5th power. Now we bring it back together. Negative 10, x to the 11, z to the 5th. Letter D. Same process here. Let's group the numbers together first. We have an 8. There's actually a negative 1 here if you don't notice. So 8 times negative 1. And let's do the first letter here. Times x to the 4th times x to the negative 2. Then we have one more letter here, which is the y, times y to the 3rd times y to the 2nd. 8 times negative 1, it is negative 8. Here we add the exponent for x. 4 add negative 2. That becomes a 2 times y. 3 plus 2. That becomes a 5. Now we combine them together. Negative 8 x squared y to the 5th power. So there you go. This is the usage of the product of power property.